already. There's lighting and everything. You know where this is going, man. Or at least you should know. Hey, what's up, Internet Freaks? My name is Jessica, and today you're in my kitchen. Because it's another onesie challenge Wednesday, where every third Wednesday of the month I'm going to be doing a random challenge. And last month was the Bean Boozled challenge, but this month I'm going to be doing the Cinnamon challenge. Yes, it's really stupid. I understand. But you know what? Stupid stuff's fun. So, you should know how the Cinnamon challenge works by now if you've been on the internet. But if you don't, where have you been? But basically, all you have to do is take a tablespoon of cinnamon and try to eat it all. It's gonna be really dumb, it's gonna be really messy, and I'm probably gonna get cinnamon everywhere. But hey, also, this month's onesie, beautiful Batman. Reason I got the hat on, it's got a cape. Do you realize how amazing this is? Well, it's gonna get all dirty from cinnamon now, but oh yeah. And the funny thing about this is, I'm recording this before I actually go somewhere, so this is gonna end up. Alrighty, well, I'm just gonna put on the cinnamon. Oh god, oh god. I already got a little bit in there. Alright. We have a tablespoon of it. Now I have to get done with everything in a minute, and I think this has been crooked the entire time, so this appears crooked, I'm sorry, but this is a weird angle that I had to put everything in. So, here we go, bottoms up. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Oh god. That's gross. It's in the back of my throat. Hi, Mom. How you doing? I'm dying, thanks.
What did you do?
I'm doing a challenge, and it sucks. Yeah.
What was the challenge?
Cinnamon challenge.
Oh, yeah.
It's all gross and ewy. Ugh. Ew. My mouth is like dry. Doesn't that look pretty? I can't at the moment, I'm still recording. I'll just end it really quick. As soon as I spit one time. Yeah. That was all ewy. Well, that really sucked. Like most of them do. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm just glad I didn't die. If you liked the video, poke the like button with me majestically make some fun. And I'll see you in the next video. Whoosh.
Some cinnamon. This doesn't go in here. I know she does. I don't like when she dries dishes. She does not put anything back where it should be.
I had to fall on the ground because they usually land on my bed. Meow.